I am filming a new type of content today. I'm going to walk you through in real time how I organize my desktop. It's a little messy right now. Typically, I organize my desktop before the spring semester begins, obviously, but I did not do that this time around. So I thought I'd just walk you through how I create a really cute desktop wallpaper and have sections where I can put the folders under an organized umbrella term. Alright, so let me open this Safari webpage. I designed my desktop wallpaper on Canva. For those of you who don't know that, it is amazing. It's life-changing. I'm going to do dual screen here, which is a perk of most laptops nowadays if you buy a new one. Unfortunately, I don't think a lot of laptops from the olden days has the option to do a split screen. I'm going to make my face smaller. Not because I don't think I look cute, because I do look cute today, but I want you to focus on how exactly I create a customized desktop wallpaper. So you can go to Canva, you can get a free little subscription, type in desktop, just kidding. If you want, they have a lot of desktop wallpaper templates that you can use, but I like to create mine from scratch, and I will link the final desktop wallpaper in my description box below for those of you who just want to use it and take it, which I don't care, that's cool. You can click on create a design, this little purple button there, and type in desktop wallpaper, and it will set the dimensions of the content you're creating so that it doesn't look pixelated when you save it and use it as a desktop wallpaper. I think I don't want to use a template. I'm going to go to Google here. I'm going to do a quick Google search for like cream aesthetic. I don't know, I'm trying to keep everything consistent nowadays with like my Notion template. I want to go to images on Google. The key here, a big tip that I have, is to go to tools. Yes, and you want to change the size to large so that when it is used here on the Canva desktop wallpaper template here, it's large enough so that it doesn't look all pixelated. So let's see, I want something that's, not too crowded, just enough. I mean, this is kind of cute. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Okay, I'm gonna save this to my desktop so that we have options. Sure. Why not? I kind of like this little beach situation going on here. I don't mind that. But I do want like a Victorian looking European building type thing. Kind of like this. That doesn't look big enough, but ooh, we getting somewhere. Oh! This is getting me excited. This is cute. We'll save this one. It's not really creamy, but it's academia themed, so I don't mind it. What? Ooh. That's too pixelated. Can you tell? This looks very crowded, but we can make it work. We can make it work. What else? I love this. That looks too small. It's too long. What do I need to Google to get this type of regal aesthetic, Greek aesthetic? Oh, Greek. Is that what I should type in? Greek. Whoa. Excuse me. Whoa. Cream aesthetic. Yesy. This is okay. I can dig it. Ooh, I love this one. I think I actually have this saved on my desktop right now. Let's see. Okay. That's okay. Okay, I'm out of it. Whatever. You know what? It doesn't have to be the most perfect thing. I'm gonna go to upload here on Canva. Upload the media device. I don't know. Again, this is a new type of content I'm creating where you're seeing my face and my desktop. I don't know what to look at when I'm talking right now, so I'm looking at my screen because I can't see what I'm doing if I'm not looking at it. Go to upload. Oh, I have some aesthetic right here. Ooh, I like this silky too. Would this look good? Just make it the background. Ooh, this one's nice. Oh, I don't mind that. We love to see it. But let me see if one of these like creamy aesthetic ones work. Upload media device. That's a lot. There's a lot going on there. We could choose this one maybe. I don't like this guy right. Okay. Yeah, no, this looks pixelated. I mean, it's not bad. It's not terrible. But I think I like this cream aesthetic. We love to see that. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to choose little elements here. And I'm going to just type in, oh, here. There's already something down here on the left side column named shapes. And I'm going to choose a shape that I like. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Ooh, there's more to choose from. I might go with like, I don't like any of these. Kind of like, you know? Sorry. Wow. You're gonna learn that I make some really strange noises today. Because this is live and I'm not gonna edit anything. I like, you know what? We'll keep it basic so that you guys can go back and change it if you want. I'm gonna go with like a square deal situation. Okay. We don't like that color, but whatever. We'll do here. We'll do my creamy aesthetic here. And a darker color on the borders. Yes. Queen. Okay, we'll do another one down here. I don't know how many sections you want, but I'm gonna typically have 2. School and life. I mean, not life, work. Which includes all of my content creation folders as well. Now I have to choose a heading. We're gonna go with school. We're gonna find a little cute font that goes, ooh, that's cute. That's already cute. Look at that. That's really hard. That's hard to read. Yeah, it's hard to read. So we might have to adjust. I mean, oh, you know what? I'll just put it inside the square. Look at that. I'm amazing. It looks a little off-center if it's not all capitalized. So I'm gonna capitalize that. I'm gonna put that there. Why does it look like I spelled it wrong? Is that how you spell school? I'm panicked. That's how you spell school, right? Why does it look so weird? No, that's right. Okay. I am a second-year law student, and I don't think I know how to spell. These text messages. I don't think I know how to spell. We're gonna work. School and work. Great. I'm gonna make these squares a little bit bigger because I think that's fine. And yeah. Sure. Okay. And that's pretty much it. You can literally do whatever you want on Canva and organize it in whatever way that pleases your desires. But this is enough for me, especially since I'm walking you through a simple tutorial of how to make your own organized desktop wallpaper. We're gonna download that as a PNG. You can download it as a JPEG if you want. I don't think it matters. Okay, wow. We're gonna set this file. How do I, excuse me? Hello? Is there a way to set this as my wallpaper? This? Okay. We're gonna go, are you gonna go to system preferences? Yeah, there we go. Desktop. Gimme. Oh, there it is! Ah! Amazing. Cool, that works. So now, first of all, we're going to move, I think somewhere at Spring 21 over here. Perfect. Trial prep, kind of schoolish, yeah. And then we're gonna delete these because this was, actually we're gonna put it in the creative get off of me. Oh wait, you can't see my little video. 1 second. Let me put this into my, it's not YouTube, it's more like content creation. I need to make a new folder. We're gonna do that. Okay, we're gonna move these screenshots because I use them for my media kit that I sent out to some brands that I like to work with. Content, move this to content, perfect. So we're gonna put that there, some applications here. YouTube I consider work, content creations work. Let me just pull up, I don't know, like, oh, there it is. Okay, we're gonna exit here. I promise I am technologically savvy, but today it doesn't, ooh, I can put myself in a corner. Okay, now you can see my desktop and me. Love that for us. Legal externship is gonna be under school. I mean, it's both work and school, but it's mostly school, so I'm gonna leave that there. Partnerships will be under work. Put this under content creation as well. Okay, so you can stop there if you want. I probably will stop here because I'm a lazy person. I really don't care about the icons, the folders, but you can take it another step and you can actually change the icons of the folders by, I think it's get info, and you can change the image. But I don't think I know how to do that. You can probably figure it out on your own if you search like change desktop icons, etc. You can probably go, I don't know how you would do this. I wonder if I can like real time figure it out. No, I don't think I can. Quick actions. Customize! Huh? Ugh. What is going on? No. Okay, we're gonna end it here then. So now there you have it. This is how I typically organize my desktop. I have 2 sections. I make a desktop wallpaper through Canva, and now you know how to do it as well. You can, I know some people will have their desktop wallpaper sectioned off in 4 columns and have 4 different sections of their life to put folders in, but again, I primarily use Notion. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna add Notion to my desktop. How do I, excuse me? I'm right clicking, why can't I add it to my desktop? Okay. I don't want Safari open, stop. Okay, ooh, here, okay. I need to stop saying okay, sorry guys. We're gonna copy this, or not. We're gonna move it here. Cool. We're gonna add this. So it doesn't have to just be folders. You can put your applications under each section as well. Is there anything else? Oh, probably need to put Zoom there because pretty much live my entire life through Zoom now, unfortunately. I can probably put, I'll put Microsoft Word under school. What else do I need to put there? Adobe Creative Cloud under work. Premiere Rush here. And I will put as my final little thing for school is my Spotify because I like listening to music. And that's it. Okay. I am filming a morning routine, but I didn't want to film it until I was really set into the new routine I started this month, which is waking up a little bit earlier and being more productive in the morning. So I didn't want to film my morning routine until I was fully committed to an actual routine. Granted, it changes pretty much every day, but I wanted to make sure that it was genuine and authentic. So that will be uploaded very soon. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you have any questions or any problems you run into in creating your desktop wallpaper. And I'd like to see the final results. I'd like to see the final results of what your desktop wallpaper looks like. Okay, bye.